Welcome back with the next question. Question number 8. It is given in the question the sum of n terms is given, that is Pn plus Qn square, and you have to find out the common difference. Common difference means you have to find out D. Sum is given. This concept we did it in 10th class also. So can we find out first term? By taking n as 1, so it will come as p plus q, isn't it? Instead of n, we will take n as 1. So we will get the first sum of the first term. What about sum of the first two terms? Instead of n, you will put 2. So it will come as 2p plus 4q. Here what we have done? Take n as 2 in the given formula. Whatever be the sum of the nth term is given, in that we will put it. Find out S3 also if you want. S3 means 3p plus 9q. Here you have taken n as 3. Ab S1, sum of the first term and the first term should be same. अगर फर्स्ट टर्म का सम निकाल रहे हैं और फर्स्ट टर्म की बात कर रहे हैं तो both the things will be equal. So this first term is also, sum of the first term is also equals to A1 or the first term A, isn't it? So from here we will get A as P plus Q. ये तो हमारे फर्स्ट टर्म आ गई. How will you find out the D? First two term में से if we will subtract the first term, out of first two terms, take the example. Terms are these. First term or the sum of the first term is S1 or A is 1. What about the first two terms sum? First two terms sum is 3. और अगर मुझे खाली सेकेंड टर्म निकालनी है, हाउ कैन आई फाइंड आउट? A2 आउट ऑफ दीज टू सम, अगर मैं फर्स्ट टर्म माइनस कर दूं, सो A2 विल बी S2 minus S1. दिस वी डिड इट इन 10th class, isn't it? So S2 means 3 minus 1, 2. So we will get second term. How will you find out the third term? Sum of first three terms minus sum of the first two terms. So you will get the third term. Same thing over here. To get the second term, this is the first term. To get the second term, how will you find out? Second term, S2 minus S1. So S2 minus S1 is the second term. So it will come as S2, 2p plus 4q minus S1. ये आ जाएगा. Solve it. P plus 3q. So this will be A2. And how will you find out the common difference now? Common difference. D is A2 minus A1. So it will be A2. P plus 3q minus A1. So minus P minus Q. Cancel it. You will get 2q. So this 2q is the common difference. Is it clear? तो हमारे पास अगर सम दिया हुआ है, सम nth term is given and you have to find out the common difference, तो आप S1, S2 निकाल लीजिए. So S2 and the first term will be same, and to find out the common difference, what you have to do? आपको A2 निकालना पड़ेगा. And how will you find out A2? S2 minus S1. Sum of first two terms minus first term. So sum of first two terms minus first term, we will get A2. Now to find out the common difference, second term minus first term. Basically what we have to do? We have to find out the number of terms. So number of terms, if we will get it, first term, second term, third term, if we will get it, not total number of terms, A2, A1, A1, A2, if we will get it, then we can find out the common difference. Clear? Come to the question 9th. Question 9th is very important also. Question 9th. Question 9th is that the sum of 2 AP, question 9, sum of n terms of 2 AP are given in the form of ratio 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. Now the question is find the ratio of their 18th term. Ratio of their 18th term means यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है in question 9th it is given sum of n terms of 2 AP. 2 APs, both the APs are different but the total number of terms are same. N terms दे रहा है. So number of terms are same but 2 AP. So it means its first term and the common difference might be different also. So we will assume we will take A and D with different notation for both the APs. But the number of terms will remain same because it is written in the question sum of first n terms of 2 AP. So number of terms are same. Let's go for the question. In this question, this part is given. So we will use the formula Sn, n by 2, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1. We will take it as d1 because two different APs are given, and n by 2, first term will be different. It's not necessary that it will be same because two different terms. So we will take 2a dash plus n minus 1 d2. This is given 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. ये दिया हुआ है. You can cancel it like this. And this question is very important also. From this given part, which you have to show it, look over here. इस part को instead of 18th term and next 18th term, we can write it as a plus 17d1, and this part we can write it as a dash plus 17d2. We can write it in this form also, isn't it? Instead of a18 upon a dash 18, जिसकी हमें वैल्यू निकालनी है, we can write it in this form also. Now look over here. This term you are getting it. If you will compare the prove to show part with the given part, यहाँ देखिए 2 आया है, आपका 2a है, and this is only 2. This is only a. So what we will do, हम दोनों तरफ 2 से ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. So we can rewrite it as 2a plus 34 d1 and 2a dash plus 34 d2. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. You will get the idea why we are using it like this. Still, if we will compare this with this, अभी भी कुछ बाकी है. Here it is n minus 1. So 34 we will try to write it in the form of n minus 1 form. So how will you write it? So this part again you can write it like this also. 35 minus 1 d1 upon 2a dash 35 minus 1 d2. So what we did, the part which you have to show, ये लिखा. Then we will take 2 on both sides, multiply with 2 on both sides, and then we will write 34 in this form, so that we can compare these two things. Is it clear? Now, if we will compare this with this, इन दोनों को compare करते हैं. Can you tell me on comparing equation 1 and 2, what should be n value after comparing it? देखिए This is 2a plus n minus 1 d1, and here it is 2a plus 35 minus 1 d1. So by comparing these two, you will get n as 35, isn't it? n आपके पास 35 आ जाएगा. Is it clear? n you will get it 35. अब अगर आप देखें ये part and this part, both of them will be same, isn't it? Instead of n, if we will put 35, so both the things will be same. So substitute here, instead of n, 35. So 5 into 35 plus 4, 9 into 35 plus 6. Now solve it. Upon plus 6, 179 upon 321. अगर ये कैंसिल होता है कैंसिल कीजिए, अदरवाइज दिस विल बी द रेशियो. वंस अगेन क्वेश्चन को दोबारा से देखते हैं. दिस पार्ट इज गिवन एंड दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑल्सो. This part is given and you have to find out the ratio of their 18th term. 18th term, whatever is given, according to that, instead of Sn, we can write this formula, and instead of Sn dash, we can write this. A1, first term is different and the common difference is also different, and n will be same because it is written in the question n terms of two different APs. We will write it, cancel it, and this is equals to 5n plus 4 according to the question and 9n plus 6. Now come to this part जो हमें prove करना है. We will rewrite it. Instead of A18, we can write A plus 17 D1, and same way for the lower part. Now multiply both the sides with 2. You will get this result. Now to make this and this same, 34, instead of 34 we can write it as 34. To write it as n minus 1, we can write it 34 as 35 minus 1. Okay, same thing for the lower part. Now after comparing these two, what will you get? n as 35. अब देखिए ये part and this part is same. Instead of n, it is 35. Now put the value of n as 35 in the given part. So after putting the value, you will get the answer. So this is the ratio of 18th term of two given AP series having nth term. Is it clear? Come to the 10th question. 10th question, sum of P term equals sum of Q terms, and you have to find out the sum of P plus Qth term. इसको थोड़ा सा और elaborate करते हैं. Sum of P plus Q terms. How can we write it? This part, P plus Q upon 2, instead of n, P plus Q, and 2a plus P plus Q minus 1, n minus 1, d. इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. So this value we have to find out. ये निकालना है. Now from the given part, what we will do? Sum of P terms means P by 2, 2a plus P minus 1d equal Q by 2, 2a plus Q minus 1d. This is given. Okay. So from here we will try to do further. ये cancel हो गया. This is cancel. So if you will solve it further, आपके पास ये क्या आ गया? 2ap plus p minus 1d equal 2aq plus q minus 1d. This result you will get it. Now shift the terms. Shift the terms, a terms together and the d terms together. So you will get here 2a p minus q, we will shift this here, and here you will get d common, q minus 1, and shift it on the other side, minus p minus 1, ये आ जाएगा आपके पास. ओके, अब आपको देखो क्वेश्चन में ये इसमें वैल्यू पुट करनी है. लेट्स गो फर्दर, कीप इट एज इट इज. यहां पर हम कुछ सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं. हियर q square minus q minus p square plus p. As I have told it, if you know any other method, you can do it. Now d, compare it, it will come q minus p, a square minus b square concept, and here it will be, take minus common, q minus p आ जाएगा. So what will be? D, take q minus p common, and q plus p minus 1, and here 2a p minus q. Look here, this is p minus q and this is q minus p. If we have to cancel it, so we can take negative out. तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? minus 2a q minus p d q minus p q plus p minus 1. ये कैंसिल हो गया. ओके, सो व्हाट रिजल्ट यू विल गेट इट? a इक्वल, आपको इफ यू विल सी, minus 2a equal d q plus p minus 1. This part you have got it. Now look at this equation 1. Here it is p plus q minus 1d. Here also p plus q minus 1d is there. तो क्या हम from equation 2 we can we substitute the value of this in equation 1? So from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, instead of d p plus q minus 1, we will substitute its value. So what result you will get it? SPQ, S sum of p plus q. ये क्या आ जाएगा? p plus q upon 2a, and instead of this we will substitute its value minus 2a. So minus 2a. ये cancel हो गया. So you will get its sum as 0. So the sum of p plus q term, its sum as, you are getting it as 0 in question 10th. Is it clear? Thank you and have a nice day.